Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best ATV winches on Amazon. Anyone who's into off-roading knows there's an indescribable joy that comes when you've freed your ATV out of your garage for a rip. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Superwinch 12V DC Winch. This 12V DC winch hits all the right marks without going overboard in any one area. Its 1.2 horsepower motor gives it 3,000 pounds of pulling power, which will be enough power for most people, but anyone who has a very heavy ATV or gets themselves into particularly sticky situations might want more. This model uses a low-amp permanent magnet motor, so it won't put too much of a strain on your battery. Pulling your ATV to freedom is a 50-foot steel rope, meaning you'll have plenty of room to work with. Using steel has kept the overall cost down, but it would be nice to see a synthetic rope instead. Extending this rope's life is a heavy-duty 4-way roller fairlead, which should reduce wear on the cable. What we like about it: low-amp permanent magnet motor, 50-foot cable, mechanical and dynamic brakes, wired handheld remote with 12-foot LED, fast line speed. What we don't like about it: steel rope instead of synthetic. Some people might like more power. Number 2. Superwinch 4500 lb winch. This 4500 lb winch covers practically all measurable areas. It has a 4,500 pound pulling capacity and about as much as you'd ever want on an ATV. Ensuring this model operates smoothly is a permanent magnet DC 12V 1.4 horsepower motor, and there's 50 feet of synthetic rope, which is great if you often find yourself far from an anchor point. An automatic braking system locks the drum when the motor is stopped or the load is attached. This model fits most bumpers or winch mounts with a 3x6.6-inch bolting pattern. However, it requires a machine-specific mounting plate or winch-ready bumper. So you'll need to see if a mounting plate is available for your ATV on the Superwinch website before purchasing. What we like about it: 4,500 pound pulling capacity, synthetic rope, 50-foot cable, wireless remote, permanent magnet motor. What we don't like about it: high price point. Mount, sold separately, might not fit every model. Number 3. OffRoad Bore 3000 lb. Electric Winch Kit. The OffRoad Bore 3000 pound winch is a good blend of power and value. Its 1.2 horsepower motor uses a differential planetary permanent magnet. The motor has no reliability issues, which is important to highlight given this model's low price point. Its 3,000 pound load capacity should be enough for most people. One issue you might have is that its line speed isn't quick when compared to other models on this list. It only pulls at 10.8 feet per minute when empty and 2.3 feet per minute when fully loaded. It comes with a 30-foot 5.5 mm thick steel cable, which could be too short for some people who often find themselves riding far from anchor points. Overall, this is a great package for the money, but might be too limited for some riders. What we like about it: good value for money, permanent magnet motor, 3,000 pound pulling capacity. What we don't like about it: relatively short 30-foot steel cable, slow line speed. Number 4. Stegaton 4,500 pounds. Electric ATV UTV Winch. The Stegaton 4,500 pounds. Electric winch is a winching system designed for off-road vehicles, ATVs, UTVs, and boats. It features a 12-volt DC motor with a 4.5 horsepower output and a synthetic rope that can withstand heavy loads. The winch also comes with a wireless remote control and a mounting bracket for easy installation. This electric winch can handle heavy loads up to 4,500 pounds, making it a perfect choice for larger off-road vehicles, ATVs, UTVs, and boats. Unlike steel cables, synthetic ropes are lightweight, strong, and flexible. What we like about it: high load capacity, wireless remote control, waterproof. What we don't like about it: wireless range, battery drain. Number 5. Champion 4000 lb. ATV UTV Winch Kit. The Champion 4000 lb winch should have you and your ATV covered in just about any situation. This model's 1.4 horsepower DC permanent magnet motor has a 4,000 pound rated line pull, which is one of the highest you'll find on an ATV winch. Bringing your ATV to safety is a 49-foot galvanized steel Super Duty aircraft cable. What we like about it: 4,000 pound pulling capacity. Mounting channel included in sale. Permanent magnet motor. What we don't like about it: quite heavy, so we'll place extra strain on the front suspension. Steel instead of synthetic cable. Not totally waterproof. No remote. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products